Hello fashion lovers, it's good to have you back on this entertaining episode on Desire House of Fashion. Hope you're all good and hope you're all staying safe. Today, I'll be taking you through some lovely and elegant super stylish Iro and Buba from different maker and different designer from around the world. Today, we'll be looking at this Iro and Buba because they are so beautiful and gorgeous. The Buba especially has been modelized to different and lovely style. So I'll be leaving you to watch all these beautiful and lovely Iro and Buba to the end. And for those that are just joining us for the first time, I want to welcome you to Desire House of Fashion, and on this YouTube channel, we bring you latest and super stylish style from different fabric, especially Ankara fabric and lace fabric. And some of the style that you'll be seeing on this particular channel, we'll be bringing you latest updates on how to make different lovely and beautiful style. And we've done over 150 videos on this YouTube channel, and on this same YouTube channel we've done a tutorial on how to cut and stitch Iro and Buba. As you all know, Iro and Buba, especially normal Buba, the way they used to sew it is quite different from how to sew normal fabric or normal style. So I'll be dropping the link on how to make Iro and Buba on this particular video that you are watching. Make sure you stop by to watch how to make Iro and Buba, and I'll be leaving you to watch all this collection to the end. Make sure you give this collection a thumbs up, and don't forget to click on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever new video comes, you'll be the first to get the update. And for those that usually join us on daily basis who have already subscribed to our YouTube channel, I really want to appreciate you for always tuning in on our YouTube channel. Expect more lovely videos, so watch all this Iro and lovely Buba to the end. As you can see that Iro and Buba has been modernized now, and some of this style that you have seen on this YouTube channel, they are lovely and they are elegant. You can make your Buba with any style of your choice, and Iro as well, you can make it as Iro skirt. So I'll be bringing you more lovely and latest updates on fashion, and again we'll be training you on how to make some of this lovely style that you are seeing on this YouTube channel. If you are joining us for the first time, you are at the right place to be. Just make sure you click on the subscribe button so that whenever new video arrives, you'll be the first to get the update, and remember to turn on the notification bell. You can also drop your comments on this particular video that you are watching, so I'll be very glad if you will all join me in our next episode on this YouTube channel, because we'll be bringing you the outfit on this channel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share. Bye for now.